How to hold at location on FedEx. So if you want to hold location on FedEx, then first you need to open up a browser. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and then open up a browser and then search for FedEx. So first what you need to do is you need to go for the tracking page. For that you need to open up your browser and then search for FedEx, and you can go for the first search, which is fedex.com. And once you've searched, you need to click on login, which is here on the upper right. Click on the login, and once you click on login, you need to log into your account. And once you've logged in, you'll be asked to enter your tracking number or the reference number, and you'll need to select manage delivery. Once you've selected, after you can click on manage delivery, then you need to click on hold that location from the option provided. You need to choose where you would like to request a package to be sent so that you can search for the participating location near you, and this way you can hold an item at FedEx location. So that's how you hold a location on FedEx, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.